Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable email notifications on feedbacks/references for recent hosts and guests in the Couchsurfing application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the notification settings button, and then scroll down and at the reminders section look for the leave feedback/references for recent hosts and guests section. And below that, on the left side of the page, you will see the email button. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns black, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.